Alright guys, I caught this really nice largemouth here. This thing must be like 3 pounds, easy 3 pounds. I don't know if it looks small on the camera or something, but I mean, it's a lot bigger than you think. I mean, let me see if I can do a raw comparison. Here, let me get this here. Hold this in this hand right here. God, man. Alrighty. Let's see if I get this right here. So yeah, he's touching the ground now. You still can't get him in the frame, but he's up to the Bass Pro sign right there. Of my rod right there. He's up to there. So that's a pretty nice size fish. Alrighty, so caught him right underneath that tree right there, like that overhanging tree. Right underneath it, right there. That's where I caught him at. Alright, so look at this. This thing's huge. Wow. Here we go, I can do it with my paddle. So one of these is 1 inch under that. So he's about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. About 14 inches long. It's a good sized bass right there. Look at this. It's a nice size. Alright. Pick him up and put him in the water now. Don't want him to die. That was a nice bass. Alrighty guys. I hope I get one bigger. Alrighty. I'll be happy for today if that's all. Alright, here's the second bass. A pound, maybe. Can't really tell. I don't have my scale with me today. Largemouth bass, a nice one. He's a little white and more white than usual for some reason. Common, the same thing. Alright, let's put him back on in. Oh, that was awesome. Alrighty, well, I'm working this whole edge right over here, so let's see if I get that monster that's probably lurking in here, that 5 or 6 pound bass. Alrighty, if I catch him, oh, it'll be a good video. Hey guys, Josh here, Fishing Pros, got myself another good bass here. It's a decent size. It's bigger than all the other ones I got. Lots of really big ones coming out now. I don't know why, but I mean, geez, they're just slamming. So I'm gonna keep this. Look at his eye, man. Look at that. Alright, well, I'm gonna put him back on in. There he goes, he swims away. Catch another one. Alright guys, caught another bass here. Got hooked right through the nose, if you can see that. Man. Okay. Yeah, this might hurt, buddy. Alrighty. See, it's right through the nose. Ah, I feel bad for you. Man. I usually don't feel bad for fish, but I mean, seriously, if it's through the nose or the eye or something like that, then you start to feel bad. There you go. Swim away. I'm using this little buddy right here. It's like a little shad or a swimmer or something like that. Swim bait. Well, not really a swim bait. Just make this up right here. It's a good. This is really good, actually. I mean, try it out. Texas rigging it. You can see how he ripped open the whole top and bottom. Look at that. Ripped that open, and the bottom also. He took that out also. Jeez. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna have to head on in now. So that's about it for today. Hope you like the fish I got. soon I'm gonna be getting a camera to put on my head. I had one, but that kind of somehow went away. But so yeah, I'm going to get one of those cameras you can put on your head and get some good photos there. If you have any lure suggestions, just put it in the comments below. And I'll subscribe to you guys if you subscribe to us. Alright.